This app on the App Store is making $1 million per month. You can see proof in the screenshot. Today, I'm going to show you how I created the same app without writing a single line of code using just one AI tool. Most people think that you need years of experience and coding knowledge to create an app, but it's 2025, and you only need one good AI tool to create an app. Invoice Maker is a simple invoice-making app where users can create and send invoices. I used only one AI tool to create the same app with just my prompt and idea. This is the best AI tool in the market right now because most AI tools only create web apps, not mobile apps for the App Store. But using this AI tool, you can create apps and even publish them to the App Store. If you want to download the project file of the app we're creating, you can get it from my free WAP community. Inside the community, you'll find all the app files, useful documentation, discussions, and feedback. If you get stuck at any point while building your app, you can ask for help there. Join the free community now. So without wasting any time, let's start. First, let's see which features or functions we are going to create today. We will create an Invoice Maker app with authentication, database, minimal and clean UI, invoice send to email feature, save as PDF function, clients data, business data, and many other features. Visit the Create Anything website from the link in the description and create a new project. I am going to change the mode to Max because it's the fastest and best mode. Here you can see other buttons like AI model and integrations. Now we are going to add our prompt. Here you can see my full prompt. Build a mobile Invoice Maker app with a minimal, clean UI. The app should include a home screen showing a list of saved invoices, a Create Invoice screen with fields for client name, client email, invoice number, auto-generate, issue date and due date, line items, item name, quantity, price, automatic calculation of subtotal and total, ability to save invoices locally on the device, ability to edit or delete saved invoices, a simple PDF export button that generates a clean invoice layout and allows sharing via the device share sheet, smooth navigation between screens, and a clean mobile-friendly layout. Keep it lightweight, fast, and focused only on the core invoice creation flow. Now click Generate. AI has started working, and after a few minutes, our app is ready. You can see it has created a very minimal and clean UI. Now we are going to test our app. Click on New and fill all the information like client name, email address, invoice date, due date, item name, quantity, price, etc., and click on Save. Our invoice is ready. Click on the Download button. Here you can see the invoice. Now click on Save as PDF button. You can see our full invoice design. It looks good, but we will add more designs. But first, I want to add a Download as PDF button because currently it only says Save as PDF. And I want that when the user clicks on Download, it should download as a PDF. So we will write a prompt in chat. Add Download as PDF button. AI has started working, and after some time it's ready. Let's check our function. Here you can see the Download button, but it's not working. So write in chat, "It's not working, please fix it." It's asking us a question, so write yes. And again, it's asking a question. Let's copy this part and write, "Yes, do it." Okay, it's ready, but again, when I clicked on the Download button, it's not working. Below is a logs option where you can see errors of the app. You can see the error here in red, so I'm going to copy that and paste it in chat and write, "Got this error," and after a few minutes, the update is ready. Let's check again, but still it's not working. I'm going to remove this button because we already have the Save as PDF button, so I think we don't need to add the Download as PDF button for now. Write in chat, "Remove Download as PDF button because we already have Save as PDF button," and it got removed. Okay, now the first thing I want to add is a calendar UI in the invoice date input because it's easier to choose a date in a calendar than writing it manually, and it's ready. You can see it looks so good now. Users can choose invoice date and due date from the calendar. Now we are going to add more designs for the invoice because only one design will make it boring. So write in chat, "Add more designs for invoices," and it's ready. When you click on any created invoice, you can see more designs here like minimal, classic, and modern. Let's see this on the PDF page, and it looks great. You can add more designs in the future, but keep it minimal because it's an invoice, not a design banner. Now we will add logo, business info, and color accents. So write in chat, and it's ready. Click on New. And here you can see business info, which the user can fill according to their business. We can add business logo, business name, email, phone number, and business address. I added an icon for my logo and filled other details for testing. Now click on Save and check the invoice. You can see our business details here, and it looks so good and professional. It looks good in other designs also. Let's see on the PDF page. Now we are going to add a new feature, which is Save Client Info. This feature is much needed. Otherwise, the user has to fill client info every time, which is not good. So write in chat, add Save Client Info feature so users can add their client info, and click Send. It's done. Let's check. First, refresh the page and we got an error. Click on Try to Fix, and AI will automatically send details to the chat. You can see the error here, and in a few minutes it's fixed. Refresh the page again and create an invoice. You can see the Save Client Info toggle button. So let's test this. Write client info like name and email and toggle it on. Fill other details and save the invoice. Now create a new invoice again and click on the Pick button, and here you can see the previously saved client. When we click on it, it auto-filled the details. This function is working well without any error. Now we are going to create the clients page because it will be better for users to see their saved clients info on a page where they can edit, delete, and add new client info. So write in chat and send. After some time, it's ready. Here you can see the clients page and clients details which we can edit. Let's add a new client info to check if it's working or not. And it worked. You can see the new client info inside the invoice page. Now we are going to add Mark as Paid function. Users can mark their invoices as paid when they get their payment, so it will be easy for them to see better information. It's ready. Click on any invoice, and here you can see the checkmark icon. When the user clicks on that, it marks the invoice as paid. On the dashboard, you can see the Paid Mark UI. Now we are going to add one of the main functions, which is authentication. So when any user uses our app, they have to create their account first. Go to Settings, and in the Authentication page, enable Email/Password option, and go back to Chat. Write Add Email/Password Authentication, and connect users' database with their email, because it's important that users' invoices should only be seen by that user and saved with their email. It's ready, but it didn't add Sign In/Sign Out buttons in the page. So write in chat, add account page on home screen where user can sign in or sign out and see their info. And it's ready. Here you can see the account button. We will improve UI later. First, let's create our account. Enter email and password and click on Sign Up button, and it's working. Now we are going to improve the UI because pages should be below, not in the header, and it's done. But it still didn't add them below like we wanted, so we will write a more specific prompt. It's ready, and this time it did a good job. You can see 3 page options here: invoices, clients, and account. Let's create a test invoice, but this time we got a problem. The Edit Invoice function is not working. I clicked multiple times on the invoice, but it's not responding. All other functions are working well, but not Edit. So we will write in chat, Edit Invoice function is not working. Check the error and fix it. Let's try again, and it's still not working. So write again in chat that it's not working and fix it. I created one more test invoice. Let's check again, and it's finally working. Now we are going to create an important feature, which is Send to Email function, because users would want to send their invoices directly to client email. Write this in chat and go to Integrations option. Search for Resend. It's an email API which we will use to send emails. It's done, and here you can see it saying to add Resend API key and send from email in environment file. So copy it and go to Settings, click on Secrets, and add a new secret. Here, paste that name. Now we have to add Resend API. So visit the Resend site and create your account. Click on Add API Key, and it will generate an API key. When you click on Send Email, it will send a test email to your email ID. Go back and paste that API key you copied. Our first API key is done. Now we have to add Send from Email in environment. So copy it and again create a new secret in the settings page and paste there. Add your email ID, which you are going to use to send users email. Save the secret and go back to chat. Now let's test this function. Create a test invoice, and here you can see the Send Email button. But when we clicked on it, it's showing an error that Mailgun API key is missing. But we are using Resend, not Mailgun. So copy this error and paste it in chat, and write that I have already added Resend API keys. Okay, it's done. Here you can see it saying to add our domain in Resend. but we don't have any domain now because we have not published our app. For purchasing a domain name, you can use Hostinger, which link I have added in the description. But for now, I asked AI, what should I do if I don't have any domain? And it said to add resend test domain. So go to settings and delete the old send from email secret and create a new secret. Add resend test email and save the secret. Now let's try again. And we got another error that for test email, we can send email only to our own email address, which we use to create the resend account. So let's change client email to the email which I used to create the resend account and try again. And finally, it worked. Let's check our email inbox. You can check the spam folder also if you didn't receive the email. Here we got our email. You can see our attached invoice. Now we are going to add another feature, which is currency and tax percentage, because it's also an important feature for an invoice. It's done. Create a new invoice, and here you can see currency and tax percentage input boxes. Let's change it to pound. But currently, we have to type it instead of a drop-down option. But we will fix that also. Let's check the tax percentage function, and it's working well. So now write in chat that I want drop-down function for currency input so users can select currency, not write it manually. And we will add signature option also. So write that in chat. It's ready. And here you can see the currency drop-down where we have different currency options. In the signature field, the user can add their signature image, fill other details, and save the invoice. You can see our signature here. Let's see on the PDF page, and it looks good. So finally, our app is completed. We added multiple features: authentication, email API, and database. Now you can add more features, improve UI, add payment integration. For payment integration, I would recommend Dodo Payments because I am already using it for my SaaS and it works very well. It handles different countries' taxes also, so I would recommend Dodo Payments over Stripe. Now to publish your app, click on Publish button. Here you can add your custom domain and submit the app to the App Store. I have added all links in the description so you don't have to waste time finding links. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comments section. If you want me to create any other app clone, give me an idea in comments. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.